Person-centred reviews. What are they and how can they help? A person-centred review does what it says on the tin. They ensure that your child and yourselves can take part in the discussions and the decisions regarding the support that's needed for your child to achieve their goals and aspirations in life.
Hello, my name is Dr. Sean Thompson. I love this review because I get a chance to see what people think about me, and I have a chance to change something if I want to.
I think this method of conducting a review is much more positive for us as parents, in that we're able to look at the positive aspects of the child's development, our child's development, and also if there are any difficulties or if there are any kind of less negative areas we need to look at, then having all the members of the team involved in Yola's care and all the professionals involved in Yola's care, if they're there, then we're moving forward in making decisions as to how to overcome those difficulties together. And it does feel that we're more supported as a family in that way in developing Yola's potential for the future.
Your child can choose how they want to take part in the review, and this includes what happens before, during and after the meeting. First of all, the school or college will talk to your child about why they're having a review and then decide together on the best way to support your child to be involved. This will include deciding on who to invite to the meeting. The people who are important in your child's life will be there, and other people who need to be there as well. Your child might help send invitations to people, and they'll have support to decide how to present information, for example, showing photographs or pieces of work. The school or college will contact you as parent or carer to make sure that they know how you'd like to be supported to contribute to the review and to make sure you have all the information you need. You may be sent information leaflets or a booklet to help you prepare. You can send it back to the school before the meeting or bring it along with you. That way, you won't forget the things that you want to discuss. You'll be able to bring someone along with you for support if you want, and the meeting will last for about an hour to an hour and a half.
In preparation for the annual review, we do feel it's important for Yola to take part in that, and we just have a conversation with him, either us as his parents, or we try to bring other members of the family in as well, so that we don't lead him in any way in what he wants to say, and he enjoys being able to give his opinion about what he finds that's going well for him, or what may not be going as well for him at the time. But I think he feels important that he's being given that opportunity to be able to voice his opinion.
On the day of the review, you should find a very different atmosphere to a traditional review. There'll be chairs set out informally, and music might be playing in the background. Your child will have chosen some of the music to be played and chosen the refreshments they'd like as well. There may be pieces of paper up on the walls or a whiteboard to record your discussion, or you may just have a conversation based around the headings of the review. A facilitator will guide you through the process of the meeting. The facilitator will welcome you all to your child's review meeting and will explain what will happen and also agree ground rules for the session. The facilitator will then ask everyone to introduce themselves and how they know your child. They will ask everyone to say what they appreciate about your child, their gifts, talents, the things that make them smile, the things that make them happy to know your child. This is a very powerful part of the review and starts the meeting on an appreciative and positive note. Next, the facilitator will invite everyone to contribute their information under the relevant headings. They will make sure that you have the support that you want to be able to do this. You might want to contribute this yourself or have somebody scribe for you, or you might want to send your comments in before the review so that you can spend time looking at what other people are writing. It's up to you to decide how you'd like to be involved and to inform the school before the review. These are the different headings that will be used in the review. What are your aspirations for your child? Or what do you think your child's aspirations are for themselves and their future? What's important to your child? These are the things that really matter to them, that would make them happy, content, or fulfilled. It is what's most important to them. Then what's important for them? These are the things they need to keep healthy and safe and help them learn and grow. What does good support look like is the next heading. This is the information that other people need to know or do to support your child as an individual. What's working and not working from your perspective? You'll be asked to think about this in terms of your child's language, learning and development, and if they're old enough, about the skills to move towards paid work, about home or living independently, about friends, relationships in their community, and about their health and well-being. There's also a place to record any questions you might want answers to. Once everyone has contributed their information, the facilitator helps us to agree the outcomes for your child to achieve. Once these have been agreed, they're then broken down into smaller targets, and provision and support will be identified to support your child to achieve this. Some parts of the plan might need a decision through a local authority forum or panel. The facilitator will confirm the actions and then close the meeting. The information from the person-centred review meeting will be used to update your child's one-page profile and the individual development plan.
It was easy and simple to follow.
Who was there?
My mum, Dad, Missy Robert, and lots of other people.
I'm Rhea Roberts, a careers advisor for the additional learning teams for Careers Wales. I really enjoy being part of a person-centred review. I think the young people and the parents get a lot out of the review compared to traditional reviews where people sit around the table. Issues and concerns are discussed openly.
My name's Sian Watson. I'm the assistant head teacher for the secondary department in Ysgol Pendalar. I think that these reviews are good because everybody gets to put their opinion and write down what they think at the same time. There's no pressure on anybody, and it's a nice relaxed atmosphere where the pupil is the main focus of the meeting. If there are any problems, then we work together to try and solve it by creating a plan and work out who's going to do what to help the young person.
If you'd like to know more, here is where you can go for more information.